Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change MKV to MP4 OBS 2024. So let's go to the OBS first. Then you have to click on this settings. This one, you can see the cursor, right? Click on this for settings. Go to settings. Now you have to click here output. Click output. Now you will find here this recording format, which is in MP4. You can make it, click on this drop down menu and you'll find here you can flash video, you can make it macOS video MKV, or you can make it to MP4. That's up to you. You can change it by here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.